It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello guys, this is Gabby Tech. In today's video we're gonna take a look at Huawei Nova 5T. One very nice phone for its price with amazing chipset inside. Let's unbox it and take a closer look. Let's unbox the Huawei Nova 5T. The phone is the first thing we see with ceilings from all over. Let's turn it on and check what else is in the box. Here we see the SIM injecting tool and warranty card plus guide. Then we have the supercharged 22.5 watt amazing supercharge by Huawei, USB Type-C cable, and a pair of earplugs. I really love when I see earplugs inside the box because it makes me happy. This one really, they're with USB Type-C. Yes, because this phone don't have audio jack here. It has only one speaker and don't have audio jack. They decided to skip that part, which is not exactly good. I wish they made the speaker stereo because it's a little bit silent. It's not enough loud, the speaker, especially when you speak on the phone. It's not the best quality, but it's still okay considering the price and the chipset of this phone. Let's take a closer look at the phone and the interface itself. The design of the phone is very typical. We see glass on the back panel, glass on the front panel, Corning Gorilla Glass, aluminum frame, 6.26 inch screen with a round place, with round here for the camera, with round circle here for the camera. This is the front camera, which is 32 megapixels. It's good that it's here because we see the screen very fully and nicely. We don't have micro SD slot, we have only slot for 2 SIM cards we can use with 4G. Here on the frame we see the button for volume, and here is the on and off button, and also the fingerprint sensor is here. I love this smart decision from Huawei that they put it here. We have infrared port. It's very goodly made phone, I would say, except the fact that you don't have audio jack. It's full HD, 412 ppi. Good. The main thing about this phone is the processor. The processor is Kirin 980. This is a flagman processor into this phone with 7 nanometer technology and 2.6 GHz maximum, and 2.6 GHz. It has Mali G76 MP10 graphics, and we have GPU Turbo 3.0 for ultimate gaming experience. You can use the fingerprint or pin. The fingerprint sensor is very fast, you can see. The colors of the display are very bright, very contrasty. There is a special mode, full color mode, that makes the colors even more intensified. Operational system is Android 9, or the interface is MY 9.1. It can get updated to MY 10. And another main thing of the phone is the camera block here. You know, Huawei is famous with their very high-res cameras. Here there is no exception. We see the 48 megapixel main AI quad camera with 48 megapixel main sensor. We have 16 megapixel sensor for ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel sensors for depth and macro sensor for bokeh effect. You know, the Huawei camera is always a sweet spot. We see the beautiful screen. You have option for face recognition also. NFC is available for all of the people who ask me. Yes, here we have NFC. We have eye comfort mode, Bluetooth 5.0, wireless projection screen recorder. We'll test it in gaming of Call of Duty and see how the KV980 is doing in gaming. The screen is 90% of the phone, that means the screen body ratio is around 90%. And one more thing we need to mention is the battery life. 3750 milliampere hours. That means you can play with your phone around 2 days without any problem. Probably for the second day we'll have 40-45% left, but it's still okay considering the majesticness of the phone. For 25 minutes you can charge the phone from 0 to 50%. Amazing. More stuff about the interface. I really love the Huawei wallpapers, they're very impressive and beautiful. You see how fast is the fingerprint. You can choose from themes, different stuff. In the camera we have portrait, night, different effects. That will of course test the camera at the end of the video, as we always do. We have light painting, moving picture, document, super macro. Basically the artificial intelligence software Huawei is having this scene detection mode where it recognizes a plant or document or stuff like this. It's very impressive phone. I love it. Flagman chipset, very ergonomic, good to hold in the hand, glass, premium look, very nice from Huawei. And it has Google Play Store, which is a big plus these days, you know guys why. We have 32 megapixel front camera. Overall, I'm happy with this phone, and the gaming performance on Call of Duty was exceptional. We can try it on PUBG also. About the camera software, everything is clear. Huawei have different opportunities because the artificial intelligence camera software recognizes every scene, everything you do. You can enhance the colors and so many opportunities. This is the black version. We also have Crush Green, Midsummer Purple and Crush Blue. That means this phone is available in 4 colors. It's very beautiful. You can see the beautiful screen. It's demonstrated on the website also. The cameras and their position. You can use the 48 megapixel sensor only when you do, for example, pictures, if you're gonna put them on billboard or you're gonna print them, because the 48 megapixel doesn't use the artificial intelligence software of making the picture better. You know, the artificial intelligence software always cleans the noise from the picture. That's why you use only this big sensor when you do pictures for printing or you need very high res stuff. And you need to hold and you need to wait a couple of seconds in order for the picture to be captured the best possible way. It protects the picture from being compromised by side factors like noise, too much light, and so on. It makes it look the best possible way. That's why you use the main 12 megapixel camera. You know, all of the pixels are 4 pixels combined into one. But if you want very high-res picture to print, for example, for a birthday or a gift or something, use the 48. But you need to hold a little bit in order for the picture to be captured a couple of seconds. And also be careful with the slow motion. Sometimes it's a little bit, how can I say it, slow, too slow. For a cons about this phone, I would mention only that there is no SD card slot. We don't have good speaker, at least in my opinion. It's too silent, too quiet. Thank you guys for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe and be friend in all my social media.